What's going on, everybody? It's Nice Pants Lance and my buddy Steve here. We got something different for you today. We're not dealing with two-wheeled vehicles, we're dealing with four. We got this 2019 Volkswagen Jetta, and we are doing a muffler delete on it. He made the right decision and didn't buy a full track exhaust system like my vehicle. He did the right thing and just got a muffler delete. So you basically have it's the most cost-effective exhaust solution. Today, I'm gonna show you how to perform a muffler delete on your Volkswagen Jetta. Just gonna need a few tools, obviously. You're gonna need some ramps, and unfortunately, in this case, you will need a sawzall or some sort of cutting device. Even if it's a hacksaw, you wanna put your own elbow grease into it, that's up to you, but you need to be able to cut stuff. Bust out your muffler delete pipe, and you just want to size it up to the muffler. This muffler delete has two hangers on it. These rods will go into the same hangers that this muffler currently goes into. Where you cut that muffler is where this clamp end is going to go on. So essentially you want to visually line this pipe up with the hanger and then make a cut so this pipe can go, so this new muffler pipe can go over the spot where you cut. So this is where the first exhaust hanger is. So it's gonna be like right there, which is perfect because the other exhaust hanger is right up here. So if that's going like so, then I'm gonna need to cut it like right there. You know what would help? What's up? If I plug this in. Oh yeah, we in here. We cutting pipes today. We voiding warranties today, folks. You gotta pull this muffler out of their respective hangers and don't let it hit you in the face. Let's get this one out first. Come on, baby. I hate these hangers. Okay. Or a flathead screwdriver. I'm gonna get a flathead screwdriver in there, and I'm gonna use that to pry into those. What I'm having trouble with is getting over this ball end. Well, that's it. We got the old muffler off. We got the muffler delete on. It's looking real good, real shiny. All right, not too bad. A little more sound out of that little Jetta. If you like that, leave a like. Want to see more random shit like that? Please subscribe. Peace.